Chainsaws are some of the most powerful hand tools ever invented. A single person armed only with a chainsaw can bring down an enormous tree in just minutes, something that was simply unthinkable 100 years ago. But chainsaws, like all other mechanical devices, need to be properly maintained. And first on the maintenance checklist is sharpening the teeth of the chain itself. Because without properly sharpened teeth, you might as well head back to the garage for the axe. Below are the best chainsaw sharpeners available right now. There are many products available to choose the best chainsaw sharpener, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chainsaw sharpener from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stihl 2-in-1 Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener. The Stihl 2-in-1 Easy File Sharpener is another handheld device that allows you to sharpen on the fly and stay on the job. It's so light and compact, you could conceivably just slip it into your back pocket and head off to harvest without giving it a second thought. While it doesn't look like much right out of the box, you'll soon discover that its understated simplicity is its biggest strength. While it won't work with absolutely every chainsaw blade on the market, it will work with a variety of non-Stihl chains. So contact the manufacturer before buying to be sure it's going to work with yours. Number 2. Oregon 520-120 Bench Chainsaw Sharpener. Although you will have to remove the chain from the chainsaw to use the Oregon 520-120 once you get going, you're going to fly through the job and wind up saving a lot of time. This electric chainsaw sharpener adjusts to your blade, regardless of make and model, and grinds it to perfection in the blink of an eye. Once sharp, just advance the chain, engage the grinder, sharpen the next tooth, and advance again. Bada bing bada boom, you'll be finished in no time. And not just finished. Finished to the highest degree of quality. Be sure to also check out our list of the best reciprocating saws for more great items like this. Number 3. Oregon 410-120 Saw Chain Grinder. If you're looking for the best in the business, but you can't afford the Oregon 520-120 that we featured earlier, this is the next best thing. It's designed for chainsaw users that need to sharpen semi-regularly, like loggers, arborists, and home users. This saw grinder is compatible with almost any chainsaw in the world and can be adjusted to the exact right dimensions for the saw. Plus, it has a bunch of features to make your life easier, including a built-in LED light, a dressing brick, and 3 separate grinding wheels. Number 4. Katsco Chainsaw Sharpener File Kit. You can't always carry a motor-powered chainsaw sharpener when you're on a job, and you might not want to spend hundreds of dollars if you don't use your chainsaw all that much. If that rings true with you, the Katsco Chainsaw Sharpener File Kit is the perfect product for you. It comes with every field tool you'll need to service your chainsaw and make sure it's cutting through logs like a hot knife through butter. Plus, everything comes in a rollable organization sleeve. Number 5. Tomec Jolly Evo Chain Grinder. The Tomec Evo has the versatility to be mounted on a bench, wall, or vise. It has a self-centering chain vise and a built-in light that makes it easier to see the chain in low light. The 120-volt motor produces consistent chain speeds of 3,150 revolutions per minute. This chainsaw sharpener comes with 3 grinding wheels, 2 hex wrenches, a dressing brick, and a template. Tomec also makes a high-end sharpener, the Super Jolly model, with hydraulic assist, and an even more powerful motor. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.